Hello friends and welcome back to the tutorial of Python for the beginners. In this video we will learn what is function and how we can create it and use it in Python. First of all, let's see what are the functions. Generally, functions are the small programs, or we can say the method which we create once and we use it many times. Generally, we can say the concept of the function is create once, use many times. So let's just start creating a function. For that, open Python shell, create a new file. Now we will start creating a function here. Let's see what is the syntax of creating a function. Like in other programming languages like C. In C, we generally use void main, void function name within brackets, and curly braces like that. But here we are having a simple syntax for that. Just type def. Def means we are telling a system that we are going to create a function which we will be calling and using it many times. So just type def, and now after giving a single space, just write the function name. Like I'm creating a function to perform the addition of two numbers. So for that, I will give a name as add, and within brackets, I will pass two arguments. Argument means the values, or we can say the variables according to which a function will be performed. So I'm giving two variables like a comma b, because for addition we require two arguments. So we are giving a and b. But if you are using some different functions and you are having different number of arguments, then you can use it like comma c, comma d, comma e, like that. But now I will use only two arguments because I'm performing the addition of two numbers. So just type colon and enter. Now you are inside your function. Here you will define that what this function will do when you will call it to perform some operation. So just write print a plus b, because what I want is I want to perform the addition of two numbers. And what are those numbers? And those numbers are a and b. So this is my function that I have created. So when I will save this program and run it, it will not generate any output because I have created a function. But after creating a function, I must call that function so that I can get some output. So for that, what I will do, I will just type add within brackets. I will give two values, which is a and b. I want to perform the addition, so I will give two values like 2 comma 5. Now you have given two values, so it will give you output as a plus b, means 2 plus 5, and we know that our output is 7. So just save the program. So just save it. I'm saving it on desktop, func.py, and save it. Now run it. See, you're getting the same output, 7. Now I can also write here the code to call that function add, because I'm at this path only, so I can write my function here also. So I will just write add within brackets 3 comma 6. I will try with some different values, enter. Similarly, I can perform as many as time I want and with whatever value I want. So this was my function, but here I am having one fault, because when I will type add and I will send this value without argument, and in this case it will generate an error like type error, add missing two required positional arguments a and b. So in that case I have one solution for it. What I will do is I will generate two predefined values for it. Means I will generate some values for it, like I will assigning a equals to 12 and b is equals to 16. So these are my predefined values. So whenever I will call this function without sending any values, in that case it will take these values and perform some operation. And if you write some values, and that it will perform according to that. So this time I'm not sending any argument, so just save the program and run it, then it will generate the output according to these values. See, still I'm getting the output as I haven't sent any arguments to it. Similarly I can send single value also, so it will take the first argument and calculate it with the second argument 16 plus 1, so like that. So this was all about creating a function, and you can create as many as function you want according to your requirement, according to your program. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and if you do enjoy this video, so please click on the like button. And if you have any queries regarding this topic or regarding these functions, then please leave a comment below so that I can resolve your problem. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, so please click on the subscribe button so that you do not miss any of my videos. And thanks for watching this video.